How often does my HVAC system need to be serviced? It's recommended that you schedule a maintenance service visit twice a year with a licensed HVAC technician. This will prolong the life of your system and keep it running safely and efficiently throughout any season. A qualified HVAC technician will thoroughly clean and inspect all of your system's components and make any necessary repairs or adjustments.